Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I know what you're thinking, and no, I'm not Murtaugh from Lethal Weapon 2. No. I know you guys want to believe it in your hearts, but no, I'm sorry to disappoint. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to do a part 2 to the best of Lamborghini because I just have so much Lamborghini content to share with you guys. Thank you for all the support on the videos and all the love. I've been noticing the likes are up, so that's great too, so thank you very much. Now, I've been wanting to do giveaways for like the longest time, trying to figure out what's the best giveaways, and I have the Hot Wheels stuff. Maybe I'll give away the Ferrari FXX Evo and the Bugatti one. But I want you guys in the comments, tell me what kind of giveaway you guys think I should do. Whether it be like live streams, because I've had the idea, maybe now that I have a new laptop, I was thinking maybe this year when the season starts again, let's say at like spot number 1, I live stream from spot number 1, and whatever cars come on during the live stream. And like say you see a specific car and we'll do a giveaway like that. You know, I don't know. You guys let me know. Maybe I'll give away some t-shirts and coffee mugs too. But yeah, I really like this live stream idea. I'll still be doing edited videos, but I was thinking maybe on Saturdays from spot number 1, I'll bring my laptop, set up my GoPro as a live feed, and then do live streams, and whatever cars come. You never know. It could be a Pagani, could be, you know, a Senna, carbon fiber Senna. Like, you know, like there was a lot of big stuff last year, so who knows. Okay, so let's get back. Let's head to some content. Well, I'm gonna start off with a very special car that I filmed last year that didn't get enough recognition that I thought it should. It's the SE30 Viola Purple Perfamonte. That thing is super rare, that spec. So what it is it's a 30th anniversary celebrating the launch of the Lamborghini Diablo. So when the Diablo was launched, it was launched in Viola Purple. So SE Special Edition 30th anniversary Viola Purple Perfamonte, and that thing looked amazing. So we're gonna get into that. Okay guys, so please, let's get into it. Please like, share, and subscribe. All the love helps. Helps grow the channel. I've been getting new subscribers. Welcome to all those new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Okay guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I do have banked footage that I will be doing soon, but I really like these, like I said, and let's get to it, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace. 30th anniversary Viola, the same color as the, you know what I'm talking about.
I hate this color.
Super rare 30th anniversary. Oh my, so nice. Beautiful spec. Nice. Hey, dude. Look at this thing. Holy. Oh my God. Oh, he's back on the channel. It's a Lamborghini day today. god. The DMC Aventador is back. Sick.
So the guy with the beard and the mask, he has advantage?
Oh my god. Rear-wheel drive Huracan Evo. Oh. Oh, it's parking up too. Yeah, because of my YouTube, right? Oh, that's gonna look so good. Rear-wheel drive Huracan Evo Spider. Sick. It's the whole crew. 488 and an Aventador S in a row. Evo is back. Dude, that's so sick.
That's how the glass.
That's what, an 14? Oh, it's a Gallardo. Really? He gets out of a Gallardo. There's my buddy Adam. He just got out of that Gallardo. Second day in a row. Oh my god. Tech one.
Oh, it is. Sick.
He's a good guy. That's a sick Novatech Huracan. Perfamonte. What the? Oh my god. Jay. Oh my god. Oh my god. One of one. SVJ. Japanese style. It's the red. Oh my God! Oh my God! No way! Oh my... SV! Ferrari 355 Spider and the SV. SV 355 Spider. EMC Aventador.
Alright, let him do his thing.
Right in front of the GT3 RS. Oh my God. No, that's a different one. All black and venti. Roadster. Hermes is back, you guys. Oh. And then he gets... He's back. No way, it's Millar Group. Sick. Is he pulling in? Oh, I love his Mercy. Yes! Oh! Way. Oh my God, a Murcielago! Wow. And there's my buddy Rob in the Manzuri Aventador. So good. Oh my God. No way. Rob's back in the Manzuri. Sick. 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 Oh, yes, yes. Oh, doors up, guys. You guys remember my buddy Rob? Took me for riding his Perfamonte, and now we got his Manzuri Advent. Oh, sick. After the white car, you're good, yeah. Oh my God, dude. Okay, bro, have a good night, man.
Bye.